Alright guys, welcome back to my screen, and it's your mentor here again, Alaj FX. And today I'm going to break USDCAD. How I pick the sell, I pick the buy, I pick sell again, and I pick another buy. And USDCAD has been my favorite pair, like one of my best pair ever. So most times I understand the move, and most times the move will understand me. The move with two probability. Sometimes you hit TP back to back, and sometimes you hit XL back to back. On this YouTube channel, we keep it simple and I keep it educational, and I try my possible best to make sure I break down my trade step by step, and I'm making it more short and more educational, so you will not stay long on your phone or on your laptop, but you still get quality educational content from my YouTube channel. So please guys, do not forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe and share, because that is what is going to motivate us to keep doing more and keep getting better at it. I trade smart money, the SMT smart money traders. I'm a smart money trader, and I tend to do my best in terms of analyzing the market and keeping my charts very simple. I don't like complicating things. Sometimes I like complicating things. I only complicate things when I want to make sure I have more confidence. Sometimes you may have even up to 4 to 5 confidence, and the market will still deal with things. Like market will still hit you out. It does not actually mean you are bad, or does not actually mean your system is not working right for you. It actually means that the market at that moment needs you to go on a break. So for the case of this USDCAD, we'll talk about this on my next video. We'll talk about a lot of things on my next video. I'll talk about like 4 to 4 or 5 things as a trader, things you need to understand and how you need to trade. Remember guys, the trend is your friend. I always tell you guys on this channel, if you're working with the trend, you will always get better. If the market is going to hit you out, maybe it's going to be like 1 or 2 times, but you always get better if you work with the trend. If you don't understand what is happening in the market, take a break, rest and come back again. So without wasting more time, let's dive into my screen and let me give you guys what I have for you guys on USDCAD. Go! Energy 4. Guys, welcome back to my screen. I'm still your mentor here, Alaj FX, and today I'm going to break the USDCAD to a step by step again, like as I normally do. This is all the 4 move I caught. This is move 1, move 2, move 3, move 4, and so on. Now we'll be starting from why I first see this move here, and I'll just go into maybe one day. I think I waited for this trade for like 2 weeks or even a month before this trade play out from here to here. I think I waited for like 2 weeks from this area down to get to this area. Like I think 2 weeks or a month. You see the before of this and the after of this trade, step by step. Now about this sell here, let's start from here. One day, some minute. Okay. Now on the one day when I spotted out this candle, when I see this move on one day, it was around this area. It was pulling back, like it was coming back up here. So I was expecting it to just come back up here like this, then go flow this down. That is this sell. I was expecting it to just from this move to here to this place, but the move actually pull back down, grab more people in, go up again. People no join for here. Get chance to join again. Then this area. Now, when I spotted this place, the market around here. It's around here, and when I say around this place, market there around this area. So I was expecting to just pull back here, then move join the sale. But market need like that. Well, I have to move to 4 hours to mark my order block. You know, I normally mark order block. And moving to 4 hours, this market as you break from this area, as you reach this area where them break out from, this move is supposed to pull back to this area, but you know pull back. You pull back, but you know tap. Just give small entry, giving a break and a retest. So when I see this market, they pull back like this from around this area. Now I see the market. When I see the pull back here, I know say you want clear people there around this area, then it will tap this side before you come back down. Before which you have to be patient enough to for your analysis to play out. You need to rush the market. If I want to join this buy from here, I will join, but I was not active. I'll just do it for the sale, and I set my alarm wait for this sale. But this sale not actually happen the day I wait for them or the weeks I wait for them. It happen 2 to 3 after a week or 2 weeks after them. Now, when I spot out this player like this, say this market never tap this area. This market never come back in this area. When I spot out the market never come back this area to feed this doji candle there. I just mark the doji candle, which is my order block. This particular doji candle here, I mark them as my order block. Then I just wait for market to play out. Market do all the yahoo. Spotting all these places as my liquidity because I know people could do we want to join the sale. Like people could do we want to join now. It's okay. They won't just join the sale as they come back here. But you know actually pick them in. After a couple of weeks and days, market actually come back to my POI. And if you check the market, as market reach my POI, there's a fast rejection from my POI. Like I do normally do 1:3. And this is my 1:3. Like the first 2-4 hours candle hit my TP, but I open my TP to 1:4, and I spot at this place. This is where I want to take profit from. First of all, like this is where I'll take profit from. Then I will not decide I need the market to go back up or I need to go back up again. That is how I trade. Now when this market reaches this area, it's supposed to continue to go back down because of which it don't contact this area. Well, market not do like that. Market reach this area, then it break out from this place. Market is not supposed to break this area again because of which it don't hold before and it don't reject. So if this market see there on downtrend, this area not supposed to break again. This area not supposed to break. So once market just break out this area, I know this market don't change character. I don't need to go back to the upside, but I will still need to follow them step by step. Now once you reach this area, once you start to go back up from here, you break out here, you do change of character here, then you complete the structure for here for only 4 hours. Remember, I've not gone to 1 hour. This is all this my analysis on 4 hours, and my other block I mark is on 4 hours. If I mark my other block on 4 hours and my stop loss still look a bit nice on my 30 pip, I will put my entry on that 4 hours as long as it's covering my stop loss. So now, once market reach this area and it start to change character for here, start to go back up, then it just break this area. Notice this market done ready for uptrend. So I have to just come back to this area. Here now I have to move to 1 hour to mark my other block. Now moving to 1 hour. I spot out this area. It's okay. Now this place market respect. It break up, it come back to this area. Now this is the last candle. This is the last candle I'm marking. I'm supposed to mark this one here, this doji here. I'm supposed to mark this candle here, but I know I mark this last candle here because now the last place we sellers actually debuted out before anything happened. And as they go back up, after they break out this place, it's supposed to come back down. Like after they break out from here like this, they're supposed to come back down to respect this place, but we don't respect them. They just actually respect this place. Trapping people to join in again. If the market they actually come back down, people go actually day here, we go on buy. And if I extend this thing like this, you will see people day here, we want actually buy for third touch. You just put them in profit, you come back, you swipe them. Now this other block has hold. That is how I pick this buy. After I pick this buy, I hold for some days and weeks. You get to this area, I spot out this area, I think on the 4 hours, like this particular area on the 4 hours. Now, why I spot that area on the 4 hours, this is it here. This is a doji. Like this is a doji resting above here. That is doji rest above. You will not see this if you don't trade smart money. It takes time and understanding to capture this move. I'll be doing the back replay. You see the move play on one day because I'm not using a big trading view. My account has problem. It's not working on the page, so until I verify the account before I start using the paid trading view, then I'll start doing this step by step. Now I mark this doji here because if you see this doji here, at this place, teller just did for here. They just actually did here. They wait for anything to happen. I hear they break out from, like, as they reach here, where they pull back down, they just come back, they break out from here, then they test back inside. That is why I'm marking here as this hidden order block that you will not spot out. Like you will not spot out this if you do not do your refinement, if you don't study. This one don't play out. They need to rest. Market does not actually move well. They need to come back, they rest, bring more opportunity. This is another one issue 3 that I caught here. I caught this one issue 3. And this happened, you see, in all my PY, once market is tapping it, there's a fast rejection, either to the upside or to the downside. And market tap this area, a fast rejection. Now, I use the same concept I use here to mark out this area. Still using the amount of stop loss I use as 30 pip. Anything below 30 pip, I don't usually go below 30 pip or above 30 pip. My highest stop loss is 30 pip. Now, I mark this concept. Now, this is a doji I marked here that is pushing this market to the downside, and this is the same thing I am marking here again. That is pushing this market to the upside. It's not that what I marked is actually pushing the market to the upside, or my analysis is actually putting to the upside, but I'm on the right trend. I know where this market is going to. Market move from zone to zone or one particular area to another particular area. Now, this market has moved from this area to this area, from this area to this area. This is on the 4 hours, from this area to this area. Now, if you check, almost all the candles I mark or the order block I mark are mostly on 4 hours, because this is USDCAD. Sometimes their move is very, very slow, and sometimes it's very, very fast. But if you're on the right trend, it's going to pay you, and if you're on the wrong trend, it's still going to get your money out. This is forex. You will only speculate about the market, and I think this market is still buying. Like it's still buying. This is it. So now we'll be moving to 1 day, and I'll be doing a back replay on it. You see how the market actually peaked, tapped, and the reject on the 1 day. On the 1 day, let's do a back replay around this area. Now, this is, I analyze this market, I think around this area on the 17th of July. I analyze market. I analyze this market on June 17. Thinking market is just going to come back up here, but it did not. So let's play from here. And now this is it here. This is all my setup and everything here. Like this is actually how I've got the buy. This is how the market, let me just say around, let's play a bit for some time. Okay, let's say this is where I saw this market around this area. Imagine waiting for market for like weeks or months before you start having a nice trade. The market's actually going to pay you if you are patient enough. But I'm not actually telling you to wait for like this, because this is how I trade, and I'm a swing trader. Most times I did trade. If I see a setup that is nice for me, I'll trade it. If I see a setup that is okay for me, I can wait for weeks before picking it. Even if it's going to take weeks or days before getting to my POI, I am still going to wait. This is how I trade. Now, I saw this market around here. I think it was, for me, I think after this break, I was expecting to just pull back to this area, but nothing happened like that. You had to come back down, do these things, and let's keep playing. Okay, expecting to just come back. I've marked my liquidity, dragging people in. Now, people that want to join the buy, that means from this first buy, people that miss here are now on this trade, expecting to take profit here. Market will pull back down again. to draw people more in again, the upside. And now at this day we are here, first day candle. Just take only, it takes only, just after waiting for like days or weeks, it takes really 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days, let's just say 5 days to hit my TP. Like 5 good days after waiting for weeks. It takes me 5 days to hit my TP1. And we wait again for our trade, go up. This is the change here I saw. This is the break. This is a change of character. This is a break. And now we pick our trade again, day 1. Now remember again, after waiting for this trade to hit TP here, and I wait for this trade. See, I wait for it for like how many, like 4 or 5 days or weeks before this place get to this place. For this trade get to this place. See, now I'm waiting for just after picking the trade, I wait for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. At day 5 we hit TP already. Like 1:3, day 5 we hit TP. This is 105 pip. This is 130 pip using a 30 pip stop loss. And most of these trades I share them on my community, like on my free community. I share most of them on my community. Now, after hitting TP here, let's play again. Now we are in. See, this is the juicy part of this trade. This trade just usually 3 days, like 3 good days. If you can hold, you just pick day 1, day 2. At day 3, you are hitting under 1:3 again, like 105 pip. And at day 4 or day 5, we got in on this trade. Market pulled down, and at day 5, see, man, this is how the massive trade. Like this is one of the juicy trade I picked last, and I think I picked this trade for like I hold on this trade for all of them. I hold on all of them, but after I get to my TP1, I just close partial and did the rest to one. Now this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. Each of these trades took I think 5 days to hit TP, and I've waited for this trade for like 2 to 3 weeks. So me waiting for 2 to 3 weeks before this trade get to my POI, I can definitely wait for like 5 days or so before I get to this trade hit my TP. So this is how I trade, and this is how I analyze USDCAD. This is how I trade, and I share most of them to my community. Like I share most of them to my community. This is the second buy. I share this buy here. Others are the above. It was a massive one. And this is when I got in. I let everybody know that we are in already and we are making profit. And this is when it gets to USDCAD has been my favorite because I've been trading USDCAD for like over a very long period of time. This is 2023. I've been trading USDCAD for a very long time. So most times I understand the move. Sometimes it give me reward. Sometimes it hit my SL. And this is when we hit TP. This is when we hit TP here. You see, this is when we hit TP of 1:3 as 4/4. So most of my trade I share them on my free community, and you can join my free community using the link below to join my free community, where I share free setup and free signals. Like I give nice trade for swing, day trade, and so on. So without wasting more time, guys, thank you for joining, and thank you for. So guys, without wasting much time, this is all on USDCAD. This is all on USDCAD. This is how I pick trade and everything, and this is how I break down my setup bit by bit. So thank you guys for staying with me on this one. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, because this is going to motivate us to keep being more. Remember, it's still your mentor, Alaji FX. See you on the next one.